In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to solve equations with variable exponents. So we have a problem here. It says solve for y. We have 10 to the y to the power of y. This is the variable that we're going to try to solve for, and it has to equal 100,000. So there's a few steps, and make sure to stick around for the steps. An exponent tells you how many times its base is multiplied by itself, or in mathematical terms, how many times it's used as a factor. So here's our base, and here's our exponent. Y is the exponent that we're trying to solve for. So step 2 is to understand that exponents are used to write repeated multiplication. So that's all they do. They just tell you how many times to repeat the multiplication. So now we could use a table to calculate how many times you need to multiply 10 to get 100,000. So here's our table, okay, and we just have to start populating it. So here we'll put our power of, here we'll put our repeated multiplication, and here we'll put the value of that repeated multiplication. So the first one is 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 is just 10, and its value, of course, is 10. Then we can do 10 to the power of 2, which is 10 times 10. 10 times 10 gives you 100. And we just continue. 10 to the power of 3 is 10 times 10 times 10. You just repeat the multiplication 3 times. That gives you 1,000. 10 to the power of 4 is repeating 10 multiplied 4 times, and that gives you 10,000. And finally, 10 to the power of 5 is 10 multiplied 5 times, and that gives you 100,000. And that's our answer here. So y equals 5. A shortcut that you could have done is you could have counted the number of zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because our base is 10 and we're multiplying multiples of 10, you could just count the number of zeros here, and you know that's going to be your exponent. Okay, that's a quick shortcut or a trick. And that's it. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. You could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You can also download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.